Hello and welcome back to the channel HardReset.Info, and today I will tell you how to check eBay product authenticity. So firstly, open eBay application on your device and then search for any product that you're looking for. For example, let it be handbag, and search. So look through the listings and check for the blue badge authenticity guarantee. So I don't see it. So okay, let me change to this one, and yes, here you see blue badge authenticity guarantee. So if you see that the listing includes this badge, you are covered. But if the product doesn't qualify for the badge, scroll down to the item description. So first of all, let me look for the similar item. Well, okay, let it be not the similar item, just some another item. And scroll down to the section item description, and read the description carefully. So look for the signs of authenticity like serial numbers, original tags, packaging, certificates, or proof of purchase. Check the photos in detail. So you can tap on each image and zoom in to look for branding, stitching, logo placement, or any small details that are very important. And now go to the information about the seller. So here you see about this seller section. So tap on the username of the seller, and you can check their feedback ratings and reviews. So feedback section, and here you see all the information about the feedbacks, and you can also go to the section about and check how many years does this seller is on eBay. If, for example, anything feels off or unclear, you can tap Contact Seller button. So whether it's this message icon and write your question to the seller, or you can go here to the section about the seller and also the press the button Contact Seller. And ask basically for extra proof of the authenticity of the item. So ask for more photos or verification details. And remember, if the price for the item is way too low, that's of course a red flag. And instead stick with listings that are detailed, professional, and badged by eBay protections. And that they should have blue badge authenticity guarantee. So that's basically how you can check eBay product authenticity. I hope you find this video helpful, and if so, please leave a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.